So let's talk about the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Because just like the Z Fold 6, it's going to be pretty much the exact same. And the difference is, with the Z Flip 6, you're not getting an Ultra variant later in the year. There's only an Ultra variant of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Meaning the Z Flip 6 is almost going to be just an update for AI. So we already know that with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the big thing about the phone, other than the 200 megapixel camera, actually having a flat front display, which is amazing for screen protectors, is that they really went with the AI angle. You know, AI with photography, AI with the phone, taking a picture, finding AI to find out what it is, right? So I kind of feel like this next iteration with the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 is really just going to be an AI update. That's really what this is. Because to me, it's very similar design. Maybe a new processor, will be a new processor, the 8 Gen 3 processor, and a bigger battery. I don't think it's going to be a bigger battery. I really don't think it will. I think it'll be exact same battery. I think it's going to be the exact same camera setup as well. But I think Galaxy AI is what we're going to see. And that's really going to be what they really hope on when it comes to this next iteration of the Z Flip 6. Again, I'm at a point where I'm going to get the Z Fold 6 Ultra 100%. But when it comes to anything else, like, again, Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, I'm skipping out on both of these phones. And yeah, I know we haven't gotten them truly yet, so at the end of the day, you never know what they are going to be, if they're going to be good or bad. And I might change my mind once they actually do come out. But based on everything we have heard and are seeing, it's really a nothing burger. That's all it is. It's just the same phone, but a little bit tweaked. Tweaked just a tad bit. And in my opinion, I think in a lot of people's opinions, it's not going to be worth it. Because it's not an upgrade. It's just the same phone, but a tad bit different. And is in small, little, minuscule updates. So hopefully I'm wrong. And I really do hope I'm wrong here. I hope that, it ends up becoming a really good update. Because I want this to be successful, obviously. This would be great for the foldable phone industry to have a very successful foldable, flippable cell phones. But I don't know. I'm like, maybe call me Debbie Downer here, but I'm not having faith in Samsung right now based on everything we are hearing. It's all about, well, it could be good, but it could also be the same thing as before. But at the same time, the Ultra is the big thing. And with the Z Flip series, there is no Ultra. So if the Ultra is the big, chungus here you want to wait for, the Z Flip series, you're not getting any of that. You're just going to get the same phone. Which, if you're interested in picking up a flippable phone at that point, I might go more toward the Z, Z Fold, the Motorola series. And we know that that's going to get an update. But again, that looks very much like what the old variant looked like. So I'll be interested. I'll be interested to see how much of a difference it is. And again, we are getting this in July. The first Z Fold series, Z Flip series is coming out in July, so it's right around the corner. Hopefully it's something good. That's all I will say is hopefully it's something positive. At this moment in time, no. It's Samsung, so anything is really possible at this moment in time. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.